for you was from the conscience of Nigerians who truly believe that a man who has spent all his life fighting in the opposition, struggling to right the wrongs and bring justice and fair play and improve the living standards of Nigerians definitely is a man that can deliver. And so you started. Subsidy was gone, and subsidy is gone. And today we are able to float the economy with income coming from the non-oil sector. And so your reforms are working. So when you came to the National Assembly with a very ambitious budget of 49.7 trillion, little did we know that working with your team will find a way to discover other sources of bringing revenue in. And today, you are about to make history by signing the largest budget ever done in the history of Nigeria since independence.